So Facebook is making refresh sound. What to do? So super easy. You just need to turn off in-app sounds in Facebook app. This is kind of new update. People don't really like that, but they kind of make that Facebook is making scroll sound by default now. So basically, how do you disable that? So just tap on your profile picture in bottom right of your Facebook app. Go to here, scroll a bit down, and then you just go to settings and privacy. Open that menu, and at the top you will have settings. So just go here and then go to a bit down again to preferences, and then tap on media, and then here just make sure to toggle this setting off. So in-app sound, and then just toggle it off. So then you will just turn it off, and that's basically how it works. So just turn it off, and then this should fix the issue for you. Yep.